Alright guys, what's going on? I'm back with another video, and in today's vlog, right now I'm about to hit up the tire shop before they close because I brought these new tires a while ago, a few months ago. I had the shop throw it on, and ever since then this one tire been giving me problems with air leaks, and I've been getting low on air lately. So I'm about to go back to the shop for the third time, just about. I was happy when I got the tires done because they was able to do it quickly. Availability was there and things like that. But after this problem, I'm not too sure if I'll be going back there. But I mean, he did a good job. Other than that, the tire leak, well, air leak or whatever you want to call it, been a problem ever since. So I've been having to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I'm gonna try to get this fixed because I might be ending up in another car show pretty soon, probably next week or so. So I'm gonna fix that tire. I'm gonna detail the car, get a lot of watermarks out, because I'm not too sure exactly what happened, but a lot of rain and things like that. So yeah, it's a lot of watermarks on the car right now. You probably can't see it from a distance, but up close you'll definitely be able to see it. But I'm gonna give you all this cold start, and then we're gonna get started to the video. Well guys, actually that is all you're getting for the cold start, because I did forget that my car is low on gas, and yeah, that's what I need to do, get some gas right now. So I'm actually head up the gas station first, and then I'm gonna head up the tire shop before they close in about 30 minutes or so. Alright guys, I am back. I just got gas. Threw 30 on 93, and what that give me? 83 miles, which is nothing, man, of course. So for y'all guys that's wondering, that's what $30 did in here, man. Through 83 miles in here. But as you can see, that red there, that's the messed up tire. So that's where I'm heading right now to get fixed or checked out, because they said they fixed it last time. So stay tuned and let's see how that goes. Alright guys, I'm back after 30 minutes. The sensor seems like it's fixed, but this happened before last time. So excuse me. So I'm gonna let it rock out and see how this goes within the next few days. Because what it looked like, the sensor was on too tight. So right now we got my tire on 37. So next what I'm gonna do is probably stop somewhere to clean up my car real quick. Like I said, I got a bunch of watermarks on it, and as you can see earlier, I threw $30 in the tank, which put me up to 83 miles in the tank. I went down the road literally 5 minutes and I'm already at 75 miles. But hopefully next clip I'll be picking up some solution to get the watermarks off, detail my car. Well, I guess you could call it a detail, something getting the watermarks off and washing it and things like that. Quick detail. Or if not, I'm gonna find somebody to do it for me real quick, because I kind of don't feel like doing it in this heat. But I guess we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I can find somebody. It would be cheaper if I do it myself, but hopefully I'll find somebody, because I really don't feel like doing it in this 90-degree heat right now. But I guess we'll see what's gonna happen within the next clip. Alright guys, so I actually went to Walmart and they didn't have the one that I need. I'm gonna actually go to another one. Walmart. I just met a nice supporter. I just follow my POV page. That's why I be saying, man, I need to keep the Ray-Bans on me at all times. Because every time I take it off, something happens. Every single time I take it off, something happens. Whether it's a car, a person, supporter, it's nice for the engagement, guys. So, and if you know me, I like to stay to myself, but they got the biker boys out. They out to get somebody. When they out, they not out for no reason. They out to get somebody. Alright guys, another update. I went to another store. They didn't have the thing that I needed neither. So I'm just wash the car, do whatever I can do, and go from there. So next clip, you'll see me washing the car, and it'll probably be dark outside. Alright guys, I'm back with the end of the video. As you can see, I ended up at the car wash. So what I'm going to show you now is watermark spots, or water spot stains, or whatever you want to call them. So I washed the car already, and now here I am, drying it off, detailing it. I got a lot going so far, but I'm going to see if I can show y'all guys the difference. So here's a spot right here with the stain. There you go, you can see that right there, all the water spots. And then here's a spot that I cleaned a little bit. You can pretty much tell the difference right there. As you see right there. The fender is clean there. And then you can tell right there. If I focus it a little bit more, yeah, there you go. You can tell right there compared to the fender. So what I've been doing is spraying it down and then just wiping it and cleaning it the most that I can, since I don't have any water spot remover actual spray. So I'm gonna keep doing that for the time being. See, look, right now there's actually more coming off. See it? Try to get it. Yeah, I see it right there. There you go. It's gone now. So like I said, I just gotta keep spraying it and wipe it down with that. But it'll be a lot more easier with the water remover. Alright guys, I'm back with the end of the video. After driving through different stores trying to find something that can help with the water spots, I ended up just using the detail spray. So hopefully y'all guys enjoy. Pretty much might as well call it like a daily vlog. And let me know how y'all like the car in the comments below. So stay tuned for the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all guys next vlog.